Hello everyone. In this lecture, you will learn how to create a retrofit client inside Android Studio project based on Java. Let's open your Android Studio. Go to app directory, then go to Java, then inside your package name. As you can see, we have created many directories. So we will create our all the retrofit related APIs into our API files directory, right? So select it, then right click on it, then go to new and select Java class. You can give any name to your class. For example, let's say it API client. It is totally up to you to give any name to your class, right? After name, then press enter. Has been ready, as you can see there. Now go to inside this class and create a sorry create a public static method. A variable for retrofit. Let's public static retrofit. As you can see, import has been successfully automatically. Now name it retrofit and initialize that null, right? Now you have to create a method for retrofit client. It is very simple. Next static retrofit. You can give any name to your method. Let's suppose name it get client. Okay. It is totally up to you to give any name to your method. There is no restrictions. Okay. Now before creating a retrofit instance or client, please make sure that your retrofit variable should be null. So how you can check here? Just simply make a if conditions whether this retrofit is equal to null or not. If it is null, then create the client. I'll say not. I'll say return the same instance which already created. Okay. Let's make a if condition. If retrofit is equal to null. After this condition, if retrofit is null, then we have to create the client, right? Let's okay HTTP. Okay HTTP. Let's name it builder. You can give any name to it. It is totally up to you. Okay. Get connection. Sorry. Connect time out, and you can add your times in seconds. Okay. And time units milliseconds. Okay, 1 minute time unit. Sorry, spelling mistake. Time unit. It is seconds. It is here, right? After that, press enter, then type dot and read out time. And it is you can also give same time. So this 120 seconds. Let's do it like this. Then again, write timeout and it is done. Now let's build up the client. Sorry, dot build. Now our builder has been ready. Now we have to create the retrofit instance. Just press enter and initialize this retrofit variable. Retrofit equal to new retrofit dot builder. After that, you have to provide the base URL to it. Mm, let's give base URL. Okay, now you have to pass the client. One minute, it is by mistake. Go to the last of line, press enter, then select dot and type client and pass the client which we have created there. Okay, HTTP builder, right? Put it there, builder. Now go to end of line, enter dot add converter factory, this one, and add converter factory. We will use JSON converter factory. Just type JSON converter factory. It is suggesting you at the top. Just press enter, then write create. After that, we have to build this instance. Just type dot and build it. Now, as you can see, our get client method or function has been ready. Now we have to pass base URL. What is the base URL? Base URL is the main URL from main URL of the API from which we have to extend it to endpoints to get other things like games categories. Let me show you. Open your browser. Okay. Now go to gamehubs.net. Let me show you. Sorry, network issue. Oh, spelling mistake. Game Hubs. HUBS. Game Hubs, right? Maybe this one. Yeah, yeah, this one. Okay, now you have to log in. Click on the login button. Login into your account. We have created in the introduction video, as you know, so you can check how we have registered. Okay, let's log in. Now we have logged in into our dashboard. After that, you have to go to API setting, right? After that, as you can see, we have API key, right? Go below and check in the API info API key for game categories, for featured games, for most playing games, for random games. As you can see, API starts the first parameter of the URL is http gameup.net API version first. It is the common in all the API parameter in the all API URL, right? As you can see, this one is common for everywhere in all the URLs. Okay, so let's make this one base URL. Okay, just copy it, right click, copy, go to Android project and put it inside there. Okay, how the press Control V inside the double quotes, and it has been done. And one more important thing is that place a slash in the end of the URL. Otherwise, your app will not work and it will crash. Okay, suppose that I remove this one, then app will not work. Okay, main issue is that you have to put a slash here in the end of the URL like this one. Okay, now your retrofit client has been ready. Now you have to return this retrofit instance, this one here. So we return retrofit. Okay, it has been done. Now our API client file has been ready, and this video has been completed. Now I will meet you in the next video.